This is DC Danton Crow Crusader. It's the 26th, Friday. There's our little flock of pigeons. But the crows, where are the crows? Where are the crows? Why are there none on the Hayfley building? Something went on here. That man was here for 2 days by Hayfley, raking and cutting in the back, and then all of a sudden our crows disappear. Where are our crows? Right? Where are they at? Here's little Petey. Hi, Petey. Petey's getting his cashews. Came right up to me this morning. There's almost no sparrows left, like there used to be. And pigeons are here. I don't think they've really changed. Yeah. You don't see it here, but I'll go show you a close-up. The farmer was here and put cow manure on the field, right? Talk about poisoning the environment. It's poisoning the environment. It's poison. It's poison to the insects. It's not good for the groundwater. It's poisonous to humans, right? The dust from cow manure gets into your lungs while you're a goner. It's full of bacteria. It's just wicked. And I'm doing a bad thing here. Looky here, what is this on the ground here? Oh, it's just a piece of plastic. Look like part of a syringe. We have a lot of drugs here in Kreuzlingen, don't we? Here's someone here waiting by Hayfley. I'm not sure what they're gonna do. It's very strange to me. What that man is hanging around there, what he's looking at. Could be looking up in the sky, right? A lot of chemtrails out there. Look at them all. I don't know if you can see it. A lot of chemtrails. I mean, dozens, but dozens of them everywhere, crisscrossing the sky, even underneath the clouds, right? Well, I don't know what to say, but I'm not a true conspiracist, but I do believe in chemtrails. I do believe that they spray things, especially agriculturally, to prohibit hail, to blow the storms away when they don't want rain, when they do want rain, when they don't want hail, and they manipulate the weather. And they do manipulate that with chemicals that they seed in the clouds. Here's a little birdie. My God, this stuff is gross. I'm gonna have to wash my shoes. Now I gotta search for a spot, put my bag down. Looks like I'll have to put it right here. He must have just done that yesterday. Look for a spot to put these nuts. This cow manure is toxic to humans and detrimental to the environment. They use it as a fertilizer. Oh, here we go. I just don't have time for this. Okay. Ja, ich mache ein Video jetzt. Bitte, ich mache ein Video jetzt.
Entschuldigung?
Ich mache ein Video jetzt und ich möchte Sie nicht an mein Video. Ich bin auf meine Arbeit. Okay? Wenn das Video ist fertig, Sie können mit mir sprechen. Weil ich denke, Sie wollten nicht auf meine Video kommen. Weil, wenn Sie haben etwas Ekles zu sagen, dann die Zuschauer, das wird nicht gut gingen. Mit meinen Zuschauern.
Aber Sie wissen, dass man Vögel nur vortragen, wenn es Vogelwarte Sendach auch im Bild, also prachtlos.
Ja, Sie müssen das nicht zu mir sagen. Ja, ich arbeite für BirdLife International und die kennen sich alle über Vogel, besonders in der Schweiz, besonders in Kreuzlingen. Sembach. Okay. Okay. Denn Sie sollten besser weiß. Ganz genau. Oh my gosh. Another one. Actually, he says he's from Sembach, where the bird volier, bird sanctuary is, and he should know better. He should know that the birds are in decline. He should know that they're poisoning the birds here. He should know all of that, right? This is the same place that would not take a wounded crow. Okay? See? They should know. But even those organizations go against the birds. They just want to keep them in cages where the people come and pay money. But what they really do is not anything good for the birds at the end of the day. Right? It's really awful. So, another disturbance for the birds today. But we're used to that. So, yeah. They think they know everything, but they don't know anything. BirdLife International collects the numbers, and Switzerland is at the top of the list in the entire world, not just Europe, in the entire world for the decline of their species. And so this is everyone hates the crow. It's talking about the crow. Everybody hates the crow. So this is unbelievable. Anyway, we don't have him in our video. We hear his rhetoric, but we don't have him in our video. And again, birds are missing today. Our crows are missing, especially from Hayfley. That man was there. I am sure that he threw down poison bait for those crows. Because look at them. There isn't a crow on the Hayfley building. Well, just one. Only one. But they're not seeking refuge there, are they? And there are some in the back. But they know that this man here is negative. They know he's negative. So, anyway, speaking a lot of nonsense. Sticking to their old ways, totally in denial that Switzerland has a huge problem with the decline of their species of birds, including all birds that lay eggs, according to BirdLife International. And according to BirdLife International, there are many, many reports given to them about the poisoning of birds directly in Kreuzlingen. It has been going on for decades and will continue to go on long after I'm not here. So that's remember I did a video on someone gave me a newspaper article about the that crows and ravens and magpies had a bounty on their head, 2 francs apiece. So if you brought in a dead bird, shot, I think even poisoned, I don't think they really checked that. As long as it was dead, you got your 2 francs. Well, I think that the paperwork became too much and too costly, so they decided to give it up. I just had a little monarch butterfly land on my hand while I was speaking. So we're just not going to shut this man down, but I am going to shut him down when I shut my video down. I don't have anything to say. He needs to listen to BirdLife International. They are the experts, not him. He's still living in the past, as many of the Swiss people do. They're living in the past, in another era, and it takes a long time for them to catch up. This is DC Danton, Pro Crusader. I want to wish you a great Friday, the start to a great weekend. There are going to be no birds coming down here until this idiot moves on. Have a great day. Love your birds. Stay safe and fight the good fight. And these people here think that they're doing something good. What they are doing good, I don't know.